Hi there, Kate here at Walser Polar Chevrolet, and I'm just going to take a second to show you how to pair your Apple CarPlay with this Chevrolet vehicle. So pairing your Apple device is actually going to be very simple. The first thing you're going to want to do is open your Bluetooth settings on your phone and scroll down to available devices. At that point, you can hit the Apple CarPlay button right on the screen, and it'll ask you to connect a phone. So we're going to go and click that button. At that point, you'll see My Chevrolet pop up on your phone. Go ahead and click that. The vehicle will recognize the phone. It'll ask you to pair by confirming that the code is the same both on your vehicle and on your device. So go ahead and click pair on both screens, first the vehicle and then the cellular device. You might need to allow your contacts or access on your phone, so go ahead and click allow. This will give you permission to make phone calls directly from your phone through the vehicle, as well as give you prompts for directions and navigation. You can then enable Apple CarPlay by clicking that button on the screen, and enable it on your phone by clicking Use CarPlay. From there, it should automatically wirelessly connect with your vehicle, pulling up everything you might need to use while driving, including your maps, music, contacts, with ease of access controlled by both the touchscreen and voice controls. Hopefully that was able to help you get your Apple CarPlay paired. If you do have any further questions, feel free to stop by Walser Polar Chevrolet here in White Bear Lake.